Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, and mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. So today's topic is conjunctions, which is a part of your grammar test. What is a conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. They are called joining words because these conjunctions are used to join words or sentences. Okay, now what is the definition of conjunction? You can say this, you can give this definition in this way. Conjunctions are the joining words. They are the joining words that join two or more words, phrases and clauses in a sentence. So it joins two or more words, phrases, clauses in a sentence. For example, if you want to say about two friends that they are good friends, Raju and Ramu are good friends. Raju and Ramu are good friends. So let me give an example. I like mangoes. I like mangoes. This is one sentence. I also like apples. I also like apples. Now you see in this example, there are two sentences. I like mangoes, first sentence. I also like apples. It means what I like mangoes, apples. So how I am going to join these two sentences? By using a conjunction. What I said, what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are the joining words. They are used to join two words, two sentences, or two clauses, or two phrases. Okay, now let me join this given two sentence by using and. So because it possesses the same quality, I like both the things. So I like mangoes and apples. See here, I joined these two sentences by using and. Okay, so it makes short, but it gives the same sense. It gives the same meaning. So here I like mangoes. Next, I also like apple. So here in this short sentence, it also gives the same meaning. I like mangoes and apples. Okay. Now, what are the types of conjunction? There are three types of conjunction: subordinating conjunction, coordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction that we are going to learn in our class. First one is coordinating conjunction. What are conjunction? They are also called as linkers. Okay. First one, there are three types of conjunction. First one, coordinating conjunction. Next one, subordinate conjunction or subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. Now first one is coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions. What is coordinating conjunction? What is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction, it connects sentences with the same grammatical value. Same grammatical value. It means such as words with words. It will connect words with words, clauses with clauses, phrases with phrases, and sentences with sentences. So what is coordinating conjunction? It connects sentences with the same grammatical value. Same grammatical value. Okay. So such as words with words, phrases with phrases, clauses with clauses, and sentences with sentences. So what are the 7 common coordinating conjunction? How can you remember this 7 common coordinating conjunction? Let me tell you acronym. Just you remember this acronym. Fanboys. 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 So these are the 7 coordinating conjunction. So just to remember acronym fanboys. Let us see what this letter is stand for. F stand for FOR for, and A for and N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So these are the 7 common coordinating conjunction. So simply you can remember the acronym FAN boys. So what are the 7 coordinating conjunction? For, and, nor, but, or, yet. Y stand for yet and S for so. So these are the 7 coordinating conjunction. So FANBOYS, fan boy. Just remember acronym fan boys. So this letter contain 7 different conjunction. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So these are the 7 coordinating conjunction. Now let me write one example. She likes dogs. She likes dogs. Her family does not like dogs. Now you see, she likes dogs. Her family does not like dogs. So here first sentence, she likes dogs. Okay, the next sentence is her family does not like dogs. So it means for this sentence it is contrast, means opposite meaning. So her family does not like dogs. So first sentence she like dogs. The second sentence it contracts, opposite meaning. It means her family that does not like dogs. So for that, in this sense we use but whenever we get a contrast in the sentence. So you see, she likes dogs, but her family does not like dogs. Does not like dogs. Okay, so let me take 4 more examples from your book. For this coordinating conjunction, you see next example, you can go there by bus or take the flight. Here in this sentence you see they are grammatically equal. See, you can go there by bus or take a flight. So both same. Is it? Grammatical values are same. You can go by bus or take the flight. So or is a conjunction because they join these 2 sentences. You can go there by bus or take the flight. Here they are equally grammatical equal. They are grammatically equal. So they are coordinating conjunction. Next example. The bus arrived. The bus arrived and the students got into it. You see, where is the conjunction here? The students arrived and here and because it joined the 2 sentences and the students got into it. Okay, so what are the 7 coordinating conjunction? Just remember fan boys, FANBOYS. So in the next class we are going to discuss about the next correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Now what is a conjunction? They are also called as linkers because they link 2 words, 2 phrases, 2 clauses or 2 sentences.